Jamaicans in the diaspora are again being asked to return home and bring their skills and business investors with them to help build Jamaica. But amid the appeal is a warning that not every diaspora-driven project that promises jobs and investments will be accepted. Investments now have to be environmentally sustainable. Details in this report.
First, it was Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness. Now, another pitch from the administration to Jamaicans in the diaspora, this time from the Water and Environment Minister, Matthew Samuda.
And what we want to say to Jamaicans is look at Loring, come back home, we have the opportunities, and we will make a way for you to invest, to live, to bring up children, or to retire, depending on where you are in your life, because that is a true achievement of Vision 2030.
The appeal for Jamaicans to return home to build the country came at the 70th anniversary celebration for Lorna Consulting Engineers, a company led by a Jamaican engineer who has gone overseas, done well, and returned to lead a business that employs Jamaicans.
You haven't just come back for patriotism. You haven't just come back because you like to visit UTEC. I am assuming you haven't just come back for the pan chicken that we all used to eat at Northside Plaza on the way up to UTEC. It's because Jamaica genuinely represents an interesting prospect, an interesting promise.
But the government won't take any and every investment proposals from returning residents and their financiers. The rejection of the logistics hub in the protected Goat Islands and the mega coal-powered plant are reminders of the government's desire only for projects that are environmentally sustainable.
And Jamaica has been short of engineers for a long time. Not because UTEC hasn't been pumping them out, but because they've been pumping them out and they've been going to the airport and taking jobs abroad. So we are happy to see the jobs return in a particular way, because our adaptation needs, and this isn't a philosophical discussion for Jamaica. You see, because you can call it extreme weather if you'd like, you can call it climate change. I just want stronger infrastructure. You see, I don't care about your philosophical position. I know I need stronger walls, better coastal protection, larger drains. Whatever you want to call it, just bring the investment. We're cool with that.
For him, Jamaica cannot afford anything else. Melissa was the brutal reminder.
That in the last 5 years, Jamaica has experienced a Category 4 hurricane. We've experienced what I expect to be classified when the scientists have settled the first Category 6 hurricane. And I'm pretty sure why I say so, because Jamaica sits on the board of the World Meteorological Organization, lowest pressure, highest storm surge, everything that's bad. But we also would have experienced in the last 5 years 2 tropical storms. We would have experienced our hottest day on record. We would have experienced in the last 5 years 3 of our worst droughts in the last 120 years. We'd have experienced our wettest day, enough to give you meteorological whiplash.
Prince Moore, TVJ News.